everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll go over the latest updates for the USCIS closure. Let's start. If you're not aware, all USCIS field offices are currently closed. Beginning on June 4th, USCIS is scheduled to reopen certain USCIS field offices, application support centers, and asylum offices for non-emergency face-to-face services to the public. For those of you who are waiting for your oath ceremony, applicants recently have already been contacted by USCIS for rescheduled ceremonies. So hopefully yours is coming soon. A few things to note. The ceremonies may be shorter as USCIS tries to limit any potential exposure to those in attendance. Also, instead of playing videos during the naturalization ceremonies, attendees will receive a flyer with information and links directing them to the videos on the USCIS website. Attendance is limited to the naturalization candidate and individuals providing assistance to disabled persons. So most likely you cannot bring your friends or family with you to share in this special moment. Remember, all legally required portions of the ceremony will still take place. And make sure to bring the appointment notice and your green card with you. If you have any previously scheduled appointments, including your biometrics or a naturalization interview, and it was canceled due to COVID-19, there's nothing you need to do at this point. USCIS will reschedule your appointment and send you a notice with the new time, date, and location. The offices will most likely reduce the number of appointments and interviews per day to ensure social distancing, allow time for cleaning, and reduce the waiting room occupancy. As a result, it will probably take you a bit longer to get your interview rescheduled. And for those of you who had an InfoPass appointment, USCIS will not automatically reschedule your appointment. You have to reschedule your appointment after USCIS reopens. So now let's talk about what you should expect at your interview. First, USCIS will follow the CDC guidelines and take all precautions to prevent the spread of COVID-19 in the reopened facilities. USCIS also expects you to do your part to slow the spread of the virus. This means you may not enter a USCIS facility if you have any symptoms of COVID-19, including cough, fever, or difficulty breathing, if you've been in close contact with anyone known or suspected to have COVID-19 in the last 14 days, or if you've been individually directed to self-quarantine or self-isolate by a healthcare provider or public health official within the last 14 days. Next, you may also have to answer some health screening questions before entering a facility. So if you answer yes to any of the previously mentioned criteria, you will most likely not be able to enter the facility. Third, visitors are limited to the applicant, one representative, and one family member. If you have any disability, you can have one individual providing disability accommodations. And for those of you who need translation, you should arrange to have your interpreter available by phone. Fourth, you may not enter the facility more than 15 minutes prior to your appointment. If you're attending the oath ceremony, they give you a bit more time. You can enter the facility within 30 minutes of your appointment. Fifth, you and anyone accompanying you must wear facial coverings that cover both your mouth and nose when entering facilities. If you don't have one, your appointment will be rescheduled. Some facilities may provide you a mask, but I wouldn't take the chance. So make sure to bring your own face masks. 6. Hand sanitizer will be provided for you at entry points. There will be markings and physical barriers in the facility, so pay close attention to these signs to ensure you're following the social distancing guidelines. 7. You might have to sign certain documents at the facility, so USCIS encourages you to bring your own black or blue ink pens. That's all I have for you today. Hopefully you'll get your rescheduled appointment soon. And for those of you preparing for the interview, make sure to check out these videos. Take care, everyone. I'll see you next time. Bye.